Hi friends, welcome to Diya's Kitchen, and today we are going to make, drumroll please, coconut chocolate truffles. So to make that, let's first look at the ingredients. So the ingredients are, you need 1 container of skim sweetened condensed milk, cocoa powder, so thin powder. So this thin powder, I crushed 20 Mary biscuits, 20 to 24, into this thin powder. And you'll need a giant bowl to put your ingredients together when making the dough. You need tablespoons and teaspoons, a measuring cup, and some desiccated coconut. So, step 1. You have to crush them if you haven't crushed your 20 Aeronauts Mary biscuits. Then you're going to add condensed milk. This, and then pour it in the measuring cup and measure 250 ml. Do not use the whole condensed milk container, otherwise it will go really, really sticky and you won't be able to make the bowls. Step 2, pour it in to the bowl. So I'm gonna get a spoon to get all that condensed milk out. Now you're going to add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, so I put my tablespoons and teaspoons. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, and 4 tablespoons. So there I've put 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now you're going to get 3 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. So in here we've already put a tablespoon, so I won't be using that. So 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, and 3. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get a spatula or whisk and start mixing it all together. Now when you see when it clumps all together, you can start mixing it with your hands. I'm just gonna take it off the whisk and start mixing it with my hands. So just leave the whisk to the side. Now your dough should look exactly like this with that chocolate brown color. Now since we've got the dough, we're going to leave it for some time. And in the meantime, we're going to fill a plate. So put 5 to 6 tablespoons of desiccated coconut onto a plate. 1, 2. Make sure at the end you can spread it around because we are going to make balls out of the dough and then roll it in the desiccated coconut. 3, 4. And 5. Now I'm going to start rolling balls from the dough. Make sure it's not too sticky, because if it is, then it means that you added too much condensed milk. Here's a tip. Here's a hot tip. Now, if you are allergic to coconut, don't make this because you can get allergies and it's not that good. So cover your bowl like this with all this desiccated coconut. And then put it into a tiny tray. Keep on making it until your tray is full. So from my dough in this measurement, I can make 14 balls. You can make 14 balls in this size, but if you're making bigger ones, it will be less. So now that I've colored it with desiccated coconut and rolled it, now I'm going to put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. So it has been 10 minutes and this is my brother Dion. So
Hi, I'm Diane.
Okay, so I'm going to give him one of the truffles that I've made, and he's going to eat it. Taste it.
Delicious. Super.
So it should look like this in the inside. It should have a chocolatey color on the inside. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like this recipe on how to make truffles. Bye!